Oh, well, you get a heavy attack too.
Wait.
Oh, it drains your stamina fast. Well, Fred's soup's gone. Wait, no, Greg's soup.
We just wait on Nathaniel.
Oh wow, you actually stab it into the ground.
Oh, I just got an achievement for surviving for 25 days.
Yeah, I just got one too. This place isn't so bad.
Back to Hollow Put it.
Had L groceries.
Oh damn, will that be me, Tyler?
Man, I have to leave this place now and go find I have to go find everything else.
Are we going the right way?
We gotta leave.
Stop. Yeah, look, see shotty ammo, y'all. Look at that. We could have missed out on some plug-in.
There's a note over here.
There's also a light bulb. So
Where's the note at?
right here where I'm standing. Well, Stephen Curry. And a flashlight. That's somewhere. Where is it? Where's that?
Is this like someone's house?
Yeah. It shouldn't get blown up in the video.
There's a shit ton of shotgun ammo and stuff laying right there.
Oh my god. Oh, there's even rifle ammo. Holy shit. Dragapeta over here is a bunch of shotgun ammo. I got a shit ton.
Yeah, I already grabbed all of them, I'm sure.
How much was there? Holy crap. Oh yeah, that's gonna last for a while. I'm gonna use a katana. He dropped it. Oh, he dropped another. He dropped a candy bar now. Dead. Like a piñata. I'm not picking up another book. Oh, we haven't been in here. Here we have, never mind.
You gotta leave that thing, you'll have a...
Oh, Tyler, we gotta work for Tyler, pet it. Dude, that Arkansas is kind of cool in War Thunder. I bought a pack for like $34.
All the USS Arkansas?
Yeah, I bought a pack. I got like 30 days of premium and all that stuff.
Yeah, that's not bad. How
So
much was it?
$35. It's usually 70. See, I bought a tank or I bought the ship. I decided to buy the ship.
What's the tank?
It was the other premium Leopard that you can get. I got the first premium Leopard you can get.
You know, I thought I'd get the PC, it's on sale still. Like, Deliverance 2 game. Kingdom Come Deliverance 2.
Oh, that game, I want to get it. I'm still thinking about it.
I got it on PS5, that's the thing, but it's hard to play it on PS5 because you gotta have stupid keyboard and mouse in order to pick lock. Picklocking's hard in the game. That's the hardest mechanism. That's the hardest mechanism in the game. It's like real life picklocking. And once you break the picklock, that's it. You gotta go find the picklock, and it's like rare. Cause you can't just go make them.
I don't know, I kind of like games like that. You can make your own decisions, everything.
Yeah.
The game's fully up to you.
That's what's cool about it too, like all the side quests you do, like whatever you do, it all like goes with the main story.
Yeah, yeah, man.
Red Dead 2 is kind of the same way.
I want to use Mickey Turner. Oh, we're outside already.
Did you
like
keep the
that.
radio inside?
Keep that inside your inventory, the radio?
Yeah.
Oh, you can? What?
I'm gonna mark this area with a stick.
Okay, I got a radio or not. Oh yeah, I do got a radio.
Well, I got a bunch of these, so I'm gonna...
I can do that if I hit someone.
I'm gonna go attack this tribe over here. I'm gonna stand on the beach and see if I get a tribe to attack me. I wanna use Mickey Turner. Her gerbs! Her gerbs! I want to use my Turner. Maybe I might run into the glow in the dark people here.
Or dark skinned people?
Now they glow in the dark. There's like a glare on my screen from my keyboard. Oh yes, camp. Huh? Ah, yes, the camp. Might kill someone from shaft. Oh wait, is there only one dude here? What the hell? Oh wow! Oh wow! I cut off his limbs. Is that it? No one else in here? I did it. I killed the camp. Dr. Gerb.
Time to fuck shit up. Bitches! 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 Oh man! A la vista! Huh! 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 Block that boy!
Wait, I can use the mask. Wait, I want to see if the mask works. Yeah, wait, you don't care about the mask? Okay. Awesome. The gold mask I don't think works on him.
Here's a good soldier. Here's a good soldier.
I wonder why the mask didn't work.
Put him out of his misery. That's what we do. We do with the soldiers.
I wonder why the mask didn't work though.
Might be what type of cannibals they are. So
Maybe it's like mid-fight, maybe they don't do it. I don't know, now we don't gotta be scared of them now. Okay, I'm gonna start destroying the camp so we can't come back.
Burn the body for the bones.
I'm gonna destroy their camp so they can't come back.
I got stick. That's gay, you can't get sticks from Matt.
Break down the little trees.
Boys, over here! I found a dig site.
Wait, I gotta figure something out. What?
Hello?
I'm trying to film a YouTube video right now.
Guess what I got back?
What, a PC?
No, an Xbox.
Okay.
So I can play War Thunder now.
Gotta grind War Thunder now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna go back to film my video.
Okay, bye-bye.
That's what my work's called.
They're probably like, hey, you will work tomorrow?
No, they finally got their the Xbox remote back because your mom took it. That's how they ground him. They just take his Xbox remote and hide it. Oh, find somewhere I can get trees from. Oh, whoa, I found a campsite.
Wait, what'd you find, Jacob?
I found a site over here.
Oh, is it over there?
Yeah, there's nothing over there though. There's a marker on your guys' map.
There's nothing over there, though?
No, there's no camera or anything like that. There's a bunch of duct tape. I'm gonna wander around and see what this map does. It has to do something.
Trying to find deer.
I'm trying to head towards the camp and see if this map makes anyone like bow down or anything like that. Let's see if this math works at all, but I can't find a camp. sweet. That one ran away from me. I have to find like more of the civilized people. Is the gold mask work at all? I'm gonna have to fly and see if I can find one of those bases. There is none near me. There we go. I found a base. I'll land up the hill from it and see if the gold mask works at all.
I think so. God damn it.
Trying to see if this stupid ass mask works at all. I'm gonna try going to a camp with the mask
Oh,
on.
I get in.
Either in bad or in good. Which one is it? Well, the camp's empty. What are you guys doing? Well, after they're telling us at the camp. Where are you guys at? Oh, okay, yeah, the mask does not work. They do not give a shit. That's gay. I wonder why it don't work. For the camp while I'm at it.
There's a pouch, skin pouch right there by the fire.
I wanted to put their camp so they can't respawn as easily.
Yeah. I'm coming. They're back. Heard that. Where's the gear when I need one?
Dude, the gold mask doesn't even work. It's some bullcrap.
Well, I already could have told you that one.
I was just run multiplayer or what it is, but it doesn't even like budge, dude. They didn't care. It does trying to like do something, but it doesn't even work.
The red one does.
Huh? The red? Yeah, that's what I don't get. I thought maybe we had to do something with the red one. Oh no, I'm destroying their camp so they can't spawn in as easily. Like lowers their numbers. And we can jump in the lake and shit there so they can't keep it. Come on, help quick.